lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this easy go-to hairstyle for my toddler. And yes, I'm sorry that my lighting was really too much. I didn't know it was too much, trust me. But anyways, in case of next time, I'm gonna be very mindful of the light. So anyways, I just had to post this video like that, so please guys, just bear with me. So I'm making use of Brazilian wool for this hairstyle, and I just went by to just take my Brazilian wool in little portions like that. Make sure that you bring out the portions that is required for this, because while you are weaving, you are adding little strands of Brazilian wool to the hair. So yes, bearing in mind that even if you're a beginner, you cannot also like braid your toddler hair. So if you're having struggles on how to braid your toddler hair, let me know in the comments section so that I can probably do another video on how you can engage them with other activities and what to say, let me know all of that in the comments section. So yeah, this is basically what I am just doing to just braid our hair. And like I said, I wanted something very simple. So anyways, lovelies, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video and pretty much understand it. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comments section to answer them all. So lovelies, keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so that this video can get to as much required number of people that will be needing videos as this. So yes, just keep on watching. is how the hair is looking. Very beautiful, simple go-to hairstyle for your toddler, something that is not going to stress her at all. And yes, this is the final result. So however you want to style this, if you want to curl the back part, you can do that, or the front part, but anyways, this is already okay. I didn't want to just do too much. I just wanted something very simple. So lovelies, let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Is this something you're gonna be trying out, or if you have any other tutorial in mind that you want me to like do a video on, let me know in the comments section. And thank you so much guys for watching to this extent. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.